This is the only Nigerian pepper soup spice recipe you will ever need. If you have been buying ready-made pepper soup spice, wait until you test this homemade version. It is fresher, more aromatic, and the flavor is on a different level. Today, I'll be showing you exactly how to make authentic Nigerian pepper soup spice from scratch. Using traditional spices you can see on the screen and something you can easily blend at home or grind using your blender. Let's get started. This is oyaya. I am breaking it. I want to use the softer part to do or make the pepper soup spice. You can actually grind it all through, but I just want to use the softer side. The rest of the parts will be used for tea. This is Negro pepper, Oda. Very important in your pepper soup spice. This homemade Nigerian pepper soup spice will transform your cooking. You can use it for fish pepper soup, goat pepper soup, chicken pepper soup, any kind of pepper soup you want to make. So that is why I handpicked the best ingredients for this Nigerian authentic pepper soup spice. You can see I unshelled the buffalo. Make sure you do this, okay? These are seeds that are poured in together. The way I tied it, some of them got busted, so I mix everything together. Now comes the most important steps that many people skip: gentle toasting of the spices. I start with large spices like the oyaya first. I toast the oyaya for about a minute before adding other spices. The seeds like fennel and aroma, those are small seeds. They come in last. The reason is because the bigger seed takes a little more time to heat up, whereas the little seeds does not take much time to heat up. Okay, everything I use is on the screen, even their botanical names, so that you can easily get them in any African shop beside you or market beside you. Okay, remember to toast this thing on a very low heat. Stir continuously and gradually. Okay, don't rush the stage. You are just trying to toast the seed, not turn them brown. They are simply waking them up. When you wake the seeds up, the spices up, they start releasing their natural oils. They bring out rich aroma, deep flavor. You know, that authentic Nigerian pepper soup spice will be smelling everywhere in your kitchen. The aroma is incredible. Okay, so when you pour in all these spices together, you toast it until they start glistening and shining, showing that they are ready. Don't forget to cool your spice completely before grinding. Many people make the mistake of being in a hurry and they grind their spice while it's still warm. It is very wrong, okay? Make sure your spice are cooled properly. If you grind your spice when they are still slightly warm, it traps in moisture into your grinded spice blend, and it reduces the shelf life. That is how long it's going to last or how long it's going to stay, and it also affects the flavor. So make sure you allow the spices to cool completely before grinding it. The spice has been cooled off completely. I poured in some pepper combo mix. If you want to know how I make my pepper combo mix, the link will be in the description. The reason why I added the pepper combo mix is to give more kick to the pepper soup spice and give it a better color, okay? Because if you grind the pepper soup spice just like that, it's going to be dark. So grind it until it is smooth. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, hello, I am Ijeoma, and in this channel I make authentic recipes, Nigerian food, spices, drinks, and so many other wonderful recipes. If you like this recipe, feel free to like this video and leave a comment if you have any question, and feel free to subscribe. Subscription is free. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the absolute best. Thank you for sticking to me. This pepper soup spice is incredibly fragrant. It's so good. I hope you are going to try this recipe. You will not regret it. To store your pepper soup spice, put it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, okay? It will stay fresh and flavorful for months. If you enjoy authentic Nigerian recipes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you in my next recipe. Bye.